Okay, guys, I need to reteach the last problem on the 10-6 geometric probability. Did not show you the correct way on the other one. Instead of deleting the other video, I'm just going to show you the last one here. So what we have here is we're trying to find the probability that the point chosen randomly, excuse me, is not inside the triangle, circle, or trapezoid. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to take the area of the larger polygon, which is a rectangle. Your rectangle area formula is length times width. So we're going to take 45 meters times 20 meters, and we get 900 square meters. Okay, then we need to take the area of the trapezoid and the triangle if we can. So let's do the easier one and do the trapezoid. Formula for area of a trapezoid is where you add your two bases, times it by the height, and then divide by 2. Remember, your bases are your parallel sides. Your height is perpendicular to your bases. So our bases are 3 and 12. And our height is 10. So what do we have here? 15 times 10. And we end up with 75 square meters per area of the trapezoid. Okay, so let's look at the triangle right here. All right, I'm going to redraw this triangle to see if y'all can see. This right here is also the radius, okay? Radius is 6 meters. Well, that is your apothem. So for the triangle, if we use half of the apothem times the perimeter, we can find the area of that triangle, okay? Well, we've already got the apothem. Now what we need to do is we need to find out what this side right here is so we can find the perimeter of that triangle. Okay, so I'm going to redraw that smaller triangle. This here is 6. That's a 90-degree angle. And what we have here for the central angle of this triangle is 120. So this central angle here is 120. Therefore, this angle is 60, and this angle is 30 degrees. So what we can use is we can use our 30, 60, 90 rule. So our 30, 60, 90 rule across from the 60-degree angle is your side, square root of 3. Across from the 30-degree angle is your side. Okay? So we can immediately, using our 30, 60, 90, find out what this segment measure is here. Because across from 30 is side, well, side equals 6. So across from 60 is your side times square root of 3. So to find the perimeter, we have to take 6 times the square root of 3 and multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because that's only half of that segment. So we're going to take 6 square root of 3 times 6, and that's going to give us the perimeter. Okay. And I need to do that, so hold on, let me get a calculator. So we have 1/2 times 6 times 6 times the square root of 3 times 6. And I got 187.06. So I'm going to round to 187 meters squared. Actually, let's be more precise. Okay, so we have our rectangle, we have our trapezoid, and we have our triangle. So now what we can do is let's add up the trapezoid. So 75 plus the 187.06, and we get 262.06. So, probability of landing in the trapezoid or triangle would be the 262.06 over the 900, but that's not what we want. We want the probability of not landing inside that, so that's where we do probability of not. You take 1 and minus the 262.06 over the 900. And you're going to get approximately 0.71, which is 71%.